All right, so you've been through the in-truck exercises, which are somewhat limited, but you can still do it. So what can you do outside is the next question. We always recommend getting outside, getting some vitamin D from the sun, and today Kenyatta's challenged me to a tabata timer challenge, and so we're gonna get after it here with some high intensity intervals using a couple pieces of equipment that you can take on the road. So tabata is a high intensity interval training workout, and I have an app called Trifecta, and it's free. Download it because it's going to keep track of your intervals for you. So it's 8 rounds, 20 seconds work, 10 seconds rest.
All right, for our Tabata challenge, I want to know, who do you think is going to quit first? Me or the other guy, Matt? That guy right there. Yeah, that guy over there, him.
I got this, don't worry.
We'll see. Trucker strong, baby. Trucker strong.
All right.
Little bro session here.
Like swing an anchor rope. Rest. All right. All right, nice little warm up. Let's go.
Slow, man. Get on, man. 51. Woo.
Roll's only 2 rounds.
How heavy is this rope? Come on, man. Ideal.
Yeah. Just keep moving.
Woo. This last one, though.
That's halfway.
Last one, isn't it? Maybe 4. 8. Woo.
Holy. 4 minutes. I sucked the wind right out of your lungs, man.
Yeah,
Nice shot.
good stuff, man. Trucker strong, baby. Trucker strong.
So, Kenyatta, you're 51,
51.
and Matt, you're,
35.
I'm pretty sure he's in better shape than you.
He's got an edge on this stuff. That was tough. That 4 minutes.
Yeah.
Killed.
We're talking about the axle bar too.
What's next?
We're gonna do air squats and lunges with the axle bar.
Okay.
He ain't saying no more word.
All right, let me get it set up here.
I need 2 kettlebells. Like this, baby.
Reset and go again. All right.
Wait. We already started?
We're in it. There you go. I like this one better since we're not jumping over stuff.
Yeah, that's right. That's what pain looks like. That's what finesse looks like, baby.
Tell us about your socks.
Yeah, baby, my socks. Oh, just an extension of my personality, that's all. Burn. Don't let your elbows
Oh,
touch your knees.
fancy.
Oh! Oh, okay. What's up, baby?
Last
What?
round.
What you got? Yeah, what you got? Woo. Woo.
8 minutes
Some
of
good
work.
stuff, man.
8 minutes of work.
Good stuff. Plenty of
Get a
sweat.
parking area, sweat, work. That's all you need. Simple and easy.
It's possible. Every truck driver, it's possible. 10, 15 minutes a day, twice a day. I know we got the time, just gotta make the time. Change your mindset, change your body, change your life. No excuse.
All right, I guess I can't just film, so they're gonna make me do a challenge with them. Burpees, the absolute worst exercise that's out there. So we'll see who's gonna win. They just finished their exercise challenge, and if I don't beat them, then it's really sad because I've done nothing this morning. So comment below and let me know who you think is gonna win this burpee challenge. Okay, funny story. We just did a whole minute of burpees and it didn't record because my phone was full. So we gotta do it again because we gotta see who wins. All right, let's go.
All right, go.
Four.
I had 24.
Yeah,
I had 24.
I had 25. It's weird.
That means she only did 5.
I did 12.
Oh,
And all
in
it
a
took
minute?
was 1 minute.
Was that like 2? What, 10 more better than the first time?
Yeah.
1 minute of work.
She
That
did.
nigga could kick your butt so much.
She only did 5 burpees.
Kenyata's birthday, and he's gonna do the birthday burpee challenge. So how many is that?
3. I did 48
He
already.
did 48, so he's only got 3 left.
3 left.
51 years old.
51. Okay. Oh, 1. No, it's not. Oh. What a beautiful day to be 51 and healthy. Healthy truck driver. No excuses. Stay healthy, stay strong.